Want to make your product photos look more professional without Photoshop? Let me show you a tool that does it in seconds. Step 1. Head over to Nordy AI. Step 2. In the search bar, type product background chainer. Step 3. Upload your product image, any angle, any quality. Step 4. Follow the steps I'm showing you on screen to adjust your settings. Step 5. Once everything looks good, click Q to start processing. Step 6. Wait a few seconds, and boom, the AI generates a clean, professional product image. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick AI tricks.